Just move on up. For peace you can find into the street.
Have you ever pondered the profound satisfaction that comes from nurturing a seed into a full-grown vegetable? Imagine the thrill of plucking a ripe tomato, cucumber, or carrot, grown entirely by your own hands, right in your backyard. Today we delve into the captivating world of home vegetable gardening, a journey towards self-sufficiency and a healthier lifestyle. Our first venture will be into the realm of tomatoes. Begin with selecting a sunny spot, as tomatoes crave at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Prepare the soil by adding compost or organic matter, ensuring it is well drained and rich in nutrients. Plant the tomato seeds about 1/4 inch deep and water them regularly. In about 6 to 8 weeks, you'll witness the magic of growth as your tomato plants start to flourish. Next, we turn our attention to cucumbers. These crunchy delights prefer a warm and sunny location. Cultivate the soil with organic matter and sow the seeds about 1 inch deep. Water them generously and frequently. With patience and care, in about 7 to 9 weeks, your garden will be graced with the presence of vibrant green cucumbers. Carrots, our next focus, are a bit more particular about their growing conditions. They prefer cool weather and soil that is loose, well-drained, and free of stones. Sow the carrot seeds about 1/2 inch deep and keep the soil moist. In about 2 to 4 months, you'll be rewarded with a bounty of crunchy, sweet carrots. Now, let's explore the world of bell peppers. These colorful vegetables thrive in warm weather and well-drained soil rich in organic matter. Plant the seeds about 1/4 inch deep and keep the soil consistently moist. In about 2 to 3 months, your garden will be adorned with bell peppers of vibrant hues. Growing your own food isn't just about self-sufficiency, it's about the joy of nurturing life, the excitement of harvesting your own produce, and the assurance of knowing exactly where your food comes from. It's about connecting with nature in the most intimate way possible and reaping the rewards of patience and hard work. In a world that's increasingly disconnected from its roots, growing your own vegetables can be a grounding and rewarding experience. It's a journey of discovery, filled with trials, triumphs, and the simple joy of watching life grow. So why not start today? Plant a seed, tend to it, and watch as it transforms into something delicious and nutritious. Take the first step towards a more self-sufficient lifestyle and experience the magic of home vegetable gardening. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step, or in this case, a single seed.